If you're plantain like this, let's make a Kinnathappam with plantain. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. We can make one piece with this recipe. Onto a pot, add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of jaggery, bring to boil, melt the jaggery and set it aside. 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter, 50 grams of cashew nut. Fry the cashew nut until golden. This is optional. We need 2 cups of plantain finely diced. Add the plantain to the mix. Saute for 5 minutes. Add 25 grams of raisins. It's optional. Combine well. Half cup of grated coconut. Combine well. 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Give it a quick mix. Add the melted jaggery. Combine well. Turn off the flame. Mash the plantain. Keep it aside. Onto a bowl, add 1 cup of rice flour, half teaspoon of salt, add the plantain, 5 pieces of cardamom pods. When it's hot, combine well. When it's mixed, add 1 cup of water or coconut milk. Make sure it's well mixed and onto a fairly thick pouring consistency. Onto a mold, add a little bit of ghee, spread it all over, pour the mix onto the mold. When the mix is ready, bring a hot steamer on. As soon as it's hot, place the Kinnathappam onto the steamer or a pressure cooker. Cover it and cook for 12 minutes. When the Kinnathappam is cooked, remove from the steamer, let it cool down. You can demold it like this or keep it on the same mold. When it's very cold, cut into pieces and enjoy the beautiful Pazham Kinnathappam. Now, just one thing. Like this, enjoy and eat. Don't miss out. To give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you try it.